The most powerful tool to use in online or blended learning is video. There are different kinds of videos that you can use for learning. Each video has its own purpose. My name is Barbara and I will explain to you the different kinds of videos that you can use and when to use them. In this presentation, we will talk about a talking head, a slide video, an animated video, a screencast, and a webinar. First, you have to look to your course objectives, and based on that, you can decide which video will be best to use. The first one is a talking head video. Here you use the full screen. I use a talking head when I need to explain something without needing something else. Instead of talking to your students in class, you are talking to the camera. In the beginning, that can give you a strange feeling, but by practicing, you will get used to it. In a talking head, you can use emotions and expressions when explaining something. This will connect you to your audience. This talking head was made by using the online tool Screencast. If you need to explain some theory, and you normally use therefore a PowerPoint during your face-to-face lesson, you can use a slide video in an online or blended course. A slide video is a presentation with voice-over and with a small talking head in the corner. It is very important that your audience can see you when you're explaining the different slides, because you can use emotions and expressions when explaining something. This will connect you to your audience. This slide video was made by using PowerPoint. An animated video is a nice way to explaining some theory, but also if you want to promote something. An animated video is a kind of cartoon that you can use to explain something in an easy way. Because there is a lot of movement on the screen, your audience will be triggered to look further. This animated video was made by using Powtoon. A screencast is a video when you are recording your screen. I use this one when I need to explain how a digital tool works. But you can use it also when you're teaching and you want to record your face-to-face lesson. Then you need to be sure that nobody else is on the video. Otherwise, you need to ask them for permission to be in order with the privacy rules. This screencast is made by using Screencast-O-Matic. A webinar is an online lesson that is taking place in a studio. The audience can follow the lesson synchronous. That means that the audience follows the webinar live, but from their own location. Normally, a webinar has been recorded so that the audience can listen to it afterwards. We call that asynchronous. So, as one of the partners of the BLEFT project, you now have a view of the different kinds of videos that you can use during an online or a blended course. If you have an idea of what kind of video you will make, the next step is to have a good view of the production process. I recommend you to watch the video called The Production Process of Making a Video for Online or Blended Learning. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something of it.